Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2000, the rocket rods at Disneyland closed for refurbishment. However, the temporary closure turned into a permanent one when no work was ever performed. The high-speed thrill ride that replaced the PeopleMover had suffered mechanical failures and track damage. The attraction was announced as officially closed in April 2001. One rocket ride vehicle avoided being destroyed and was set up as a display in Disney California Adventure for a time. I think it was Disney's California Adventure then. Do you remember this attraction? Did you love it? I thought it was pretty cool. Anyway, have a magical day.